Welcome to the Herbal Kitchen, where we cook up delicious meals and go behind the science of how they help you to live a better life. My name is Dr. Meredith. I'm an orthopedic surgeon, and I'll be joined by Allison, our aspiring chef. Today we'll be making lentil, beetroot, and hazelnut salad with a ginger dressing. Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Allison. Welcome to the Herbal Kitchen, where we share healthy recipes to help you live well. Today we are preparing a lentil salad with beetroot, almonds, and a fresh ginger dressing. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of lentils, rinsed, sea salt for boiling, 3 cooked and cubed beetroot, 2 sliced spring onions, 2 tablespoons of sliced almonds, fresh chopped mint, and fresh chopped parsley. For the ginger dressing, you will need a 3/4 inch piece of fresh, peeled, and chopped ginger, 6 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and a little salt and pepper to taste. I personally love this salad because the mix of textures and flavors of the ingredients make it much more exciting than a traditional salad. But did you know that these ingredients are nutrient-rich, anti-inflammatory, and can help to stabilize blood sugar, cholesterol, and blood pressure? Before we mix the salad, meet Dr. Warner, an orthopedic surgeon and the founder of the Well Theory. She's going to share more about these delicious ingredients and how they can contribute to a better state of wellness. Take it away, Dr. Warner.
Let's look first at lentils, the star ingredient in this salad. The fiber content of lentils make this a powerhouse ingredient for lowering cholesterol, aiding in weight loss, balancing your blood sugar, and more. Lentils are a great source of dietary fiber and can help to improve digestion and lessen the symptoms of various stomach issues. Diets high in fiber have been proven to reduce heart problems. Lentils also contain iron, which supplies you with lasting energy, and magnesium, which improves blood and oxygen flow throughout the body to reduce the risk of heart disease. Magnesium is also important in bone health and in preventing muscle cramping. Next, let's look at beetroot. Beets are low in calories, high in fiber and nutrients, and are shown to aid in cancer and dementia prevention. Beets are high in dietary nitrates. The consumption of these nitrates dilates the blood vessels and leads to a drop in blood pressure. Beets are also thought to reduce inflammation, and inflammation is often associated with heart disease, stroke, and muscle pain. The onions in this recipe contain quercetin. This is a very anti-inflammatory flavonoid that is also a free radical scavenger and can act as an antioxidant. Last on our list is ginger. Ginger root preparations possess many anti-inflammatory, anti-nausea, and anti-diabetic properties. The substance gingerol is one of the active ingredients responsible for all of these benefits. These inflammation-fighting ingredients can help to combat muscle pain and arthritis pain.
First, bring your lentils to a boil in about 2 3/4 cups of water. You can add a little bit of salt to your water, much like you would salt pasta water. Once your water is boiling, reduce the heat of your stove so that your lentils are simmering, and then in about 15 to 20 minutes, all of the water will evaporate, leaving you with soft lentils that should still have a little bit of bite to them. Once your lentils are finished cooking, let them cool. Now, toss together your beetroot, your onion, your almonds, your parsley, and your mint. And then just give that a good mix. All right, now that we have all of our veggies together, we're gonna put together the dressing, which in my opinion is really the star of the show. Now in a separate container, mix together your ginger, your olive oil, your Dijon mustard, and lastly, your vinegar. Then, using a stick blender, pulse together until everything's smooth and incorporated. All that's left to do is mix your salad. The lentil salad is zesty from the ginger dressing, crunchy from the almonds, and packed full of healthy ingredients. So go ahead and slide your iceberg lettuce to the back of the crisper and give this salad a try. Want more delicious and nutritious recipes? Just hit the button below to subscribe to the Herbal Kitchen.